Hi, I'm DK Will, and this is DK Will Talk About It. I want to thank you for clicking on my channel. I want to thank you for taking the time to give me a few minutes of your day. I'm going to ask that you please like my videos. Watch it first if you like. You can like it out the gate if you want as well. Please subscribe. I need subscribers. I want to get this up and running, and I hope when you watch this material that you agree to help me do that. And share my videos. Share it with those of like mine who may be interested in the topic. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Today I'd like to cover a short story, a short video I should say, about this very big news. And the big news is Circle to become a full reserve bank amid stablecoin scrutiny. And it runs the USDC stablecoin under state banking regulations already, so therefore a sign of already compliant. Now it is seeking to become a federal bank, which will increase oversight of its reserve. This story came out today, folks. It's a 2-minute read. We're going to read some of it, but not all of it. And in brief, it says they will become a national digital currency bank. The move will mean federal oversight of USDC and increase reporting requirements. So they're looking to be a federally chartered bank. If that's not compliance, I don't know what is. That's very much in harmony with Ripple and XRP working with regulators. It says here the stablecoin Circle announced on Monday, that's today, it intends to become a national digital currency bank, a move that will place it under the direct supervision of the Federal Reserve and various agencies run the U.S. Treasury Department. It should be run by, it looks like. Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire, who announced the move on a blog post, said the shift to full reserve banking would strengthen its stablecoin USDC, which currently has more than $27.5 billion in circulation. The stablecoin came under scrutiny last month, along with Tether, let's not forget, after Circle published a report showing that while the majority of USDC was backed by dollars, its reserves also included corporate bonds and commercial paper. Now, I mentioned the scrutiny that Tether's going under as well. Here we see Circle applying for the government to scrutinize them, whereas Tether is being resistant and dodging the production of proof that they can support the printing that they say is backed by the US dollar. And here we see Allaire acknowledge concerns over this arrangement, writing, however, market observers have correctly focused attention not just on reserve sufficiency and credit quality, but also on fundamental questions of liquidity, including liquidity in times of intense demand to redeem USDC. In other words, if there's a bank run on USDC, so to speak, and a bunch of customers coming in wanting to redeem their USDC, we got your back and we got you covered. So that's very promising, and that's a very strong sign of adoption that is coming faster and faster with us. It goes on to say it's unclear from the blog post whether its plan to become a national bank will require Circle to replace the corporate bond and commercial paper portion of its reserves with dollar equivalents. Allaire states that Circle has always exceeded the bank-grade liquidity requirements defined by the international agreement known as Basel III. So they've always had their stuff together, so to speak. Now let's not forget the ISO 20022, which I'm going to touch that. It's clear, though, that the move to become a federally regulated entity will require Circle to publish more detailed reports about its operations, including the nature of its reserves. All of this comes amid growing attention in the role of stablecoins in the banking system. Yes, the battle is going on, folks, and the adoption process is coming fast and furious for cryptocurrencies. And so I mentioned up here the ISO 20022 requirements as well. And what's going on here is they're making sure that Circle is safe and has liquidity ability in case of a bank run, that they actually are legit, so to speak. And if you recall, whether you recall or not, I'm going to show it to you. This portion here, yes, this is a shameless plug, folks, a shameless plug on my channel. And this video here, Treasure Safe, given IOTA, we all go to XRP, XLM, XDC. Well, at the 9-minute mark, folks, at the 9-minute mark, This is there.
And this slide here, which we've all seen before, is last updated July of 2020, but it's the Interledger Protocol family of the ISO 20022 ecosystem.
For the sake of time, I'm going to stop it there, but what it is it's trying to highlight safe places to have your money. And I'm going to explain next why you need a safe place to have your money, not just considering banks, but considering cryptocurrency as a whole. But you can see IOTA, Ripple, XFin, Stellar, Algorand, and right here, Circle, USDC. And I spoke on that in this video. I'm going to use that as bait. Maybe you'll go watch that video. But here's why you need to be safe. Because this man here said back in November 6th of 2019, 99% of cryptocurrencies will probably go to zero. Well, I don't want to be a part of that zero, and I'm sure if you're watching this video, you don't want to be a part of that zero either. He told Bloomberg that the majority of cryptocurrencies may one day be worthless, just like the fiat dollar that only has the backing of the government that printed it. And here's the kicker. The government didn't print it. And there's a previous video, my most recent video. I encourage you to watch it too. Because the Federal Bank Reserve System and Central Bank System is who printed that money, and that's a privately owned bank. So it's not really backed by government. I'm getting off topic. Let's get back on it. Right here, when asked if he believes there are too many competing crypto assets, Garlinghouse responded, I agree with you that I think there are too many. There are around 3,000 different digital assets that trade on a daily basis. I think anytime there's a new market, there are a lot of people who run into that market to show that they can solve a problem and deliver customer needs. I have said publicly before that 99% of crypto probably goes to zero. The man has a wonderful batting record on what he said before. Following on this, Garlinghouse explained that the remaining 1% of projects which are focused on solving real problems for customers at scale will thrive. So we're looking for utility. We're looking for safe places to put our money in the crypto market as well. And Brad Garlinghouse is telling us up front that 99% will go. And right now it's not 3,000. Over here you see in the top left corner, it's 11,200. So when he said that, 1% would be 30 coins. By today's standard, 1% would be 112 coins. And so which one is it now? Is it the 30 or is it the 112 or is it somewhere in between? See, that's a critical thing for us to need to figure out, folks, if we want to be safe from the slaughter that's bound to happen. And so the purpose of this video, what's over here? Okay, that's what got me there. The purpose of this video is to, number one, bring out this excellent news right here. That we are cutting edge, folks, those of us who are in the crypto market. Hold tight. Don't let go of anything that has utility. Let go of everything that doesn't. Let go of everything that doesn't. Your Doge coins, get rid of them. I'm sorry, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is for entertainment purposes, but you can listen anyway. But if the coins you own don't serve a purpose, Shiba Inu, or whatever, however you say it, if they don't do something for the new monetary system that's going in place, and doing something could be in the banking, it could be in the cross-border payments, it can be in the retail payment transaction network, it can be any of the above and more, but it has to do something. If it's a speculative coin, people, that was created because somebody saw an opportunity to make money off of FOMO, fear of missing out. And the coin doesn't do anything except exist with the backing of far less than the Rothschilds who back the central banks, but the backing of just some techie individual who knows how to create coins. I strongly recommend you get out of it at the most convenient moment and get into coins that are inked in, and as time goes, more and more proof shows that these at least are going nowhere. These, at least, are part of that 1%. How do you figure out the rest? Well, that's where your own intelligence and savvy comes in, and you look up your coin, study your project, see what they do, and answer the question to yourself. Does this coin represent the future? Because the future's happening. The future's happening right in our faces. I'm DK Will. This is DK Will Talk About It. I want to thank you for stopping by. Please like, please subscribe. If you made it this far on the video, thank you very much. Share it, please. Help me grow as I make every effort to help you also grow. Thank you.